Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
If you've ever published any content and watched it pull zero traffic, you're going to love this. Imagine typing in one keyword for any niche or market and instantly getting a fully written, illustrated, published piece of content that's built to get you traffic from Google and inside AI answers all in a few clicks. That's exactly what Traffic Genie does, and I'm going to show you the whole thing right now. Getting found online used to mean ranking on Google. Now, Google answers half of searches in a box at the top, and millions of people ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini instead. The Google monopoly is over, and to win today, your content has to show up in three ways at once: ranked in search, picked as the answer, and cited by AI. By hand, that means you need a search expert, an AI writer, a humanizer, a designer, a video tool, and an SEO tracker. 5 or 6 separate subscriptions, all separate logins, and you're still doing the work. Traffic Genie collapses all of it into one engine. Inside the dashboard, it's clean, simple, everything in one place. I'm going to type in one niche right here. That's the only thing that I have to do, and watch. It's writing the content now, a full structured piece with real statistics, sources, and answer ready sections, the exact shape that gets pulled into the answer box and quoted by AI. It's generating on brand images and dropping them into the right spots. And it's building a video that gets published straight to YouTube, which is now one of the most cited sources across AI answers. One keyword, and all of that comes out automatically. Before it publishes, the built in humanizer fires on its own, so the content reads like a person wrote it, not a robot. And every post gets a readiness score from 0 to 100 across search, answers, and citations with the exact fixes to raise it. You never have to guess whether a post is good enough. Then it publishes to its own hosted site. No WordPress, no plugins, no code, and it pushes it to Google automatically. Now, here's my favorite part. This screen shows everything real time, exactly which AI search bots crawled your pages and how many real visitors each one sent you. GPT bot, Perplexity bot, Google bot, all of it. The enterprise tools that do just this piece cost hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. With Traffic Genie, it's built in. And it doesn't stop after one post. You could set it to run on a schedule so it keeps generating on its own. It watches what wins and it rewrites the losers on its own so your results compound over time. You can let it run fully on autopilot or keep a quick review step and approve each post first. Your call. Either way, it does the work for you. Now think about the old way. A professional writer runs $375 to $600 for a single post, and that's just the words. No images, no video, no publishing, no optimization. With Traffic Genie, all of it happens in minutes from one keyword. This is perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, content creators, agencies, local businesses, anyone who wants free traffic without writing a word or paying for expensive ads. If you can click your mouse and type a few words, you can run this. And that's how easy it is to start getting free traffic across search and AI answers with Traffic Genie.